Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to unclog a toilet when you don't have a plunger. As you can see, I don't actually have a clogged toilet right here, but I'll be going over the steps that you should be taking to unclog a toilet if you don't have access to a plunger. Now let's get right to it. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to get something into the toilet that's going to act as a lubrication to loosen up whatever it is that's clogging the toilet. Now, some examples of the things that you might find in a bathroom are some body wash, just like this, some shampoo or conditioner, or some liquid hand soap. Okay, so what you want is something that's going to act as a lubricant inside of the toilet to sort of loosen up whatever it is that's clogging the toilet. So you're going to find one of those things that can act as a lubricant, and literally you can use anything that would act as lubricant that you would find in the washroom. But these are three examples. Once again, body wash, shampoo or conditioner, and liquid hand soap. What you want to do is you want to take that and you want to just absolutely put it into the toilet water, and you're going to let it sit for a couple minutes, okay? And you're going to see if it looks like everything in there is being loosened up, okay? And then you can use your judgment, okay? You can try and flush it, or you can add in another step, which is that if you have water inside of if you have room inside of the toilet, if there's enough water room. So right now inside of this toilet there's a lot of room. I could add a lot of water. You want to turn on the hot water, let it heat up, let the water get really hot, and you want to put as much of that hot water into the toilet as you can, because the hot water will work with either the shampoo, conditioner, liquid hand soap, or body wash to loosen everything up. If you don't have room for the water, then unfortunately you can't do that if it's already close to the top. But if you have room to add the hot water, then add the hot water. And you want to let it sit and just let it work its magic. And if you feel comfortable, okay, you can try flushing it, and hopefully at that point the clog is gone and you can flush the toilet. But if it doesn't flush, if you don't feel comfortable flushing it yet, like if it doesn't look like it's loosened up, or if it doesn't work when you try flushing it, then you're going to have to go and try and do it physically. You're going to have to try and loosen it physically. Now, what you can do are two specific things that you will find likely in the bathroom. First and foremost, you can just get the toilet scrubbing brush, which is like this thing right here, and you can use this. So you can actually take this and just try and use it to loosen up whatever is in there. You can also turn it around. You can use this handle of the toilet scrubbing brush just to loosen it up, okay? And remember, if you're going to use the handle, wash the handle after, because you're using it in toilet water, in clogged toilet water. So you can use the toilet brush to physically try and loosen everything up. Or if there's actually a garbage bag in the garbage, okay, what you can do is you can actually take the garbage bag, wrap your hand in the garbage bag, and you can physically get your hand and try and loosen whatever it is that's clogging the toilet up. Now, I know it's gross, but you know what? If you really want to unclog the toilet, then these are things that you can do. Now, there's no guarantee that these things are going to work, but I will tell you that if you use all of these things in conjunction with each other, if you use body wash, shampoo or conditioner, or liquid hand soap to loosen it up, if you use hot water to work in conjunction with the stuff that I just talked about, if you use a toilet brush or a bag around your hand, a garbage bag around your hand to physically loosen it up, there's a really good chance that you'll be able to unclog the toilet and loosen everything up without a plunger. You just have to use everything in conjunction with each other. You can use only one of the things that I spoke about, but if you use them all together, it's going to give you the best chance at success. And that's basically it. In this video, I have told you how to unclog a toilet with a plunger. I've given you a few things that you can do to give you the best chance at unclogging the toilet. 4 simple things. Number 1 is use any of these products that you see over here or anything like them to loosen everything up. Number 2 is the hot water. Number 3 is the toilet scrubber. And number 4 is the garbage bag that you'll likely find in the garbage. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if this method worked for you in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.